Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series, and now we have to solve the last topic, which is monotonic stack. And the first question is daily temperature. Okay, so here is given an array integer temperature represent the daily temperature. Okay, and return array answer such that answer of I is the number of days that you have to wait after the ith day to get the warm temperature. Okay, if there is no future day which is that possible, then you just have to return the answer of I, which is 0. Okay, so this question is telling that there is given a temperature array which is 73, 74, 75, 70. So you just have to check whether the next temperature is warmer or not. Okay, if it is greater means it is warmer, and if it is less means it is a colder. Okay, so you just have to check. If 73 the next element is greater, yes, you just have to check. If it is greater, then you just have to 1. Okay, and for 74 it is greater, yes, 75 is greater. The first, you just have to check the first greater. Okay, and for 75, is it is greater, no, 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 then you just have to okay, so you just have to check the you just have to add the in this array answer. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to create the first thing that you have to create std dot vector comma int, which is results and temp dot size. Okay, and then std dot stack of int, which is stack, and then you have to check for int I equals to 0, I less than temp dot size, and then I plus plus, and then you just have to check while stack dot empty, and then temp of temp I just have to rename, which is temperatures, not its temp, which is temp of stack dot top, which is less than temp of I. Okay, and then you just have to create result of stack dot top equals to I minus stack dot top. Okay, and then you just have to do stack dot pop, and after this you just have to do stack dot push, and then you just have to return results. Okay, so let's run this code. Now let's again run this. Stack dot push equals to I. Okay, here is in results. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted.